Hello everyone! After videos on how to do parallel parking with a sedan and a van, here's another video on how to do parallel parking with a truck. Many drivers use trucks for road tests, and if you are one of them, then you will find this video very helpful. There is a prize-winning contest at the end of this video, so make sure you participate in it. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then make sure you hit the subscribe button because there are a lot more videos that are going to follow after this. So first things first, make sure you signal your intentions to the cars around you and approach the pylon with a 2 to 3 feet distance between the pylon and the truck. When you stop, make sure you see the pylon around here from inside. I've shown you from the outside because from inside the pylon hides behind this part. So you have to stop as soon as the pylon goes behind this part. By the way, I've used cones in this video, but if you are doing it behind a car, then treat the left corner of the car as the cone and use the exact reference points as mentioned in this video. Once you've lined up the cone, turn the steering wheel 1.5 times to the right and start reversing slowly. When reversing, make sure you look all around you. The examiners love it when you're doing your checks properly. So the next step is to stop when you see the pylon around here, which is almost hiding behind the window here. After that, turn the wheel all the way to the left until it locks and start reversing slowly, looking all around you. And this is how the parking is going to look like. I know I'm slightly away from the curb, and I did that on purpose because of the contest. But hey, if you're this far from the curb on the test, just know that you will definitely pass the test. They will take a few points off, but you still pass the test. And now, this is what brings us to today's contest. So, to win the contest, make sure you meet all the conditions mentioned in the comment box below. Here's the contest question. What should have I done to ensure I wasn't too far from the curb? Let me make it a little easy for you. Here's a clue for you. The answer is in one of my parallel parking videos. I swear to God, I couldn't have made it easier than this. What are you waiting for? Find the answer and write it down in the comment box below. There will be a lucky draw on a live video on the date mentioned below, and the winner will be announced. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I will see you again with another video and hopefully another contest very soon. Thank you and have a nice day.